Let's dive into a scenario where the marketing team needs to design and create a brochures or flyers for printing. Gautam, could you walk us through how to use Zoho Writer to craft these documents and guide us on the process of printing them?
Absolutely, Balaji. So we do have prepared some templates which relates to this contents. So you can see that we have created a brochure for Zoho Writer that is created in Zoho Writer from scratch. So this is the output of the PDF document, and let me show you how we created it in Zoho Writer. So this is the Zoho Writer document. So you can see that we have inserted various text boxes and shapes into the document in order to achieve the output that I showed you previously. So now we'll see this entire process on how to create it from scratch. So let me just quickly create a new blank document. Yes. So now what I'll do is, as you can see, the layout of this page is different from the one that I have here. So the first step would be to change the page setup. So you can just click on the left hamburger icon and go to the page setup. So here I want this orientation of this document to be in landscape, so that I'm selecting landscape. And I'm also changing the page size to A3, which is my required page size. So you can choose any one of the page size based on your preferred requirement. Now, once that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert the shapes that I have previously created. So here you can see that there are various shapes. So let me just insert them one by one. So the first, I'll just cover the bottom left corner of the document. So for that, I'll get into the insert tab and click on drawings. And in the output document, I have added a shape called rounded rectangle. So any preferred shape can be added. So you can add a square or a cube, anything. So based on your preference, you can add the shape. So now, once that is done, I'm just rotating this to 90 degrees. So you can customize the added shape based on your preference. So you can resize it by just simply clicking here and dragging it. And not only that, you can also change the colors in order to make more attractive contents. So here I'll just click on the required color. Now once that is done, I'm inserting the shape into my document, and to move it around, I can simply select the shape and move it with my mouse, and I'm just resizing it according to my preference. And also here you can see that this particular document is created in such a way that there are two columns in this particular page. So to achieve that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get into the page setup and select multi-columns. So here I'm going to use two column layout. So yes, so here you can see that a margin has been inserted in the middle of the page, and this has been converted into a two column setup. And now I'll just drag this shape according to my required size. Now you can see that the bottom layer of the shape is completed. So now I'm just gonna recreate the top layer of the section. So for this, I've used a particular shape. So please, you can go to the insert option and get into drawings, and under shape, I'm just going to use the curve option. So now I have added the shape, but as you can see, there is a slight difference between the one over here and over here. So in order to rectify that, what I can do is I can just click on this edit points and change it accordingly. So I guess this should work. So now I'll just change the gradient color, the insert option. Yeah. So now I've inserted the colors and I'm just inserting it again. So once this is done, I'll be able to resize it according to my preference, and then furthermore, I'll be able to place it according to my preference. So now the next option would be to insert the text that is available in this particular document. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to insert text boxes. So now I can simply drag over the text boxes and place it according to my preference inside the shape. So now once this is done, I'll just copy the text from this content so that it will be easy for the recreation process. So now once I have copied and pasted the required content into the text box, what I'm going to do is I just want the text box to be seamlessly integrated with the shape that I have added. So in order to achieve that, I'll just go ahead and remove the background and the border of the text box. So now I'll remove the border and the background so that you can see that the text box is seamlessly integrated into the shape that I have added. And furthermore, if required, I can also go ahead and insert images to the document, and I can resize it accordingly, and I'll be able to place it in my desired location. Yes. So what we have done is we have added pretty much shapes and text boxes. So with simple these two features, we have created this entire content. So here you can see that. Let me just show you. These are the shapes that we have added, and there are text boxes and shapes completely. You can also find images into the document. And furthermore, if you would like to change the wrap type of a particular image so that it gets seamlessly integrated into the document, you can use or make use of this option where here we have inline, in front of text, or behind as well. So we have various wrap types available. So based on that, your content or the image that you have added will be placed into the document. So this is how you can recreate the template. So when it comes to printing, so now what you can do is you can simply click on file, and you can download it and save it as a PDF. Or if you would like to print out, you can simply get into the review tab and the distribute tab, and then click on print option. So this will allow you to print the brochures that you have created in Zoho Writer, and you will be able to distribute it across various platforms. So this is how simple it is for you to create brochures and or distribute content in Zoho Writer.
That was a great demonstration, Gautam. So we have actually elaborated more into the tools that you have referred today. So it could be either shapes, text boxes, or images. We have covered them in depth in one of our previous webinars, and I'm sharing the link so that you'll be able to access it and get more information on that too.